This dance is called Diane. It's a 62 count, 4-wall, phrased improver level line dance. Now this dance consists of two sections, or two parts. Part A, which is 32 counts, and Part B, which is 30 counts. The Part B is kicking with the chorus, so that is your cue to when a Part B will actually come in. So we'll go through Part A to start with, dance around the walls, and then we'll come back and we'll look at Part B. So we're starting on the right foot. Step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right. Now you're going into a kick ball cross. The choreographer has actually specified when you do the kick for the kick ball cross, you're kicking effectively to the right diagonal. Kick ball cross. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side. That set of steps once more then, side behind up on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, behind, side. Cross shuffle, right over left, step the left to the side. Into a series of points and hitches. So you're going to effectively point the right toe back behind the left, point it out to the side. Hitch the right over the left, point the right out to the side, touch the right beside the left. So you're going back, out, hitch, out, in. So that last set of steps once more then, cross shuffle, up on the right. 7, 8, cross shuffle, side, back, out, hitch, out, in. Add that to the top. Side close, kick ball cross up on the right. 7, 8, side behind, kick ball cross, side rock behind, side. Cross shuffle, side back, out, hitch, out, in. Vine to the right, putting a quarter turn on the end. Side behind, quarter turn right. Scuff the left, chassé to the left, rock back on the right, and recover. That set of steps once more then, vine into the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, scuff, left chassé, back, rock. Let's add that to the top. Side behind, kick ball, half on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, kick ball, cross, side, rock, behind, side. Cross shuffle, side, point back, out, hitch, out, in. Side, behind, turn, scuff, left chassé, back, rock. Another vine to the right with a quarter turn on the end. Step right to side, cross the left behind, quarter turn right. Scuff the left, but this time when you scuff you're going to put a further quarter turn to the right on. Chassé to the left, rock back on the right and recover. That set of steps once more then, vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, scuff, left chassé, back, rock. Now whilst that is actually only half a turn in that last vine step, vine quarter turn, quarter in, quarter scuff, it is in fairly close proximity to the quarter turn on the previous vine, all of which are turning you right. Now if you do struggle to get that 3/4 of a turn in without it affecting you in some way, then there are some alternative steps you can do. So just onto this last vine. So you're still going to vine to the right, side behind. Instead of turning a quarter right, turn a quarter left as you step back on that right. Scuff the left back as you make a quarter turn left. Chassé to the left, rock back on the right and recover. So there's some non-turning steps should you find that half a turn in conjunction with the previous quarter causes you some difficulties. Otherwise that is the end of part A. Let's put it all together. Side behind, kick ball off on the right. 7, 8, side behind, kick ball cross, side rock, behind, side. Cross shuffle, side put back, out, hitch, out, in. Side behind, turn, scuff, left chassé, back, rock. Side behind, turn, scuff, left chassé, back, rock. That's your part A. I'll now go through it with counts. Side behind off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So it is a 4-wall dance. Let's have a go, therefore, at the other 3 walls for part A. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8. Side behind, kick ball, cross, side, rock, behind, side. Cross, shuffle, side, back, out, hitch, out, in. Side behind, turn, scuff, left chassé, back, rock. Side behind, turn, scuff, left chassé, back, rock. Side behind, kick ball, cross, side, rock, behind, side. Cross, shuffle, side, back, out, hitch, out, in. Side behind, turn, scuff, left chassé, back, rock. Side behind, turn, scuff, left chassé, back, rock. Side behind, kick ball, cross, side, rock, behind, side. Cross, shuffle, side, back, out, hitch, out, in. Side behind, turn, scuff, left chassé, back, rock. Side behind, turn, scuff, left chassé, back, rock. So that's your part A. Now part B will always start facing 3 o'clock. So let's take you through part B. 30 counts in this set of steps. So starting off on the right, walking forward 2 steps, right, left. Kick ball change off on the right, shuffle forward on the right. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself, half a turn to the right. Now set of steps once more then, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, kick, ball, change, right shuffle, step, pivot. Into a very similar set of steps now with the left foot leading. So we walk forward, left, right, kick, ball, change on the left, shuffle forward on the left, step forward on the right, pivot, quarter turn to the left. That set of steps once more then. Left foot leading, walking forward. 7, 8, walk, walk, kick, ball, change, left shuffle, step, pivot. Have those 2 sections together. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, kick, ball, change, right shuffle, step, pivot. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, left shuffle, step, pivot. Cross the right over the left, point the left to the side. Cross the left behind the right, point the right to the side. Cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side. Turn yourself to face the 430 diagonal. You step forward on that right, touch the left behind the right. That set of steps once more then, cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, behind, side, step, touch. Let's add that to our part B. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, kick, ball, change, right shuffle, step, pivot. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, left shuffle, step, pivot. Cross, point, behind, side, step, touch. Still facing the diagonal, step back on that left. Square yourself up to the back wall as you step the right to the side. Face the 7:30 diagonal as you step forward on the left. Touch the right behind the left. Step back on that right. All on that diagonal. Square yourself back up to 6 o'clock as you step the left to the side. That's your ball. That set of steps once more then. Stepping back on that left. 7, 8. Back, side, step, touch, back, side. That ends part B. Put it all together. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, right shuffle, step, pivot. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, left shuffle, step, pivot. Cross, point, behind, side, step, touch, back, side, step, touch, back, side. I'll now go through part B with the counts. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, like I said, part B will always start facing 3 o'clock, and there's a maximum number of 3 repetitions that you'll do at any one time. So let's have a go at part B, facing 6 o'clock. We'll keep going, and we'll do part B again, facing 3 o'clock, so you've done all walls for part B that you're unlikely to come across. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, right shuffle, step, pivot. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, left shuffle, step, pivot. Cross, point, behind, side, step, touch, back, side, step, touch, back, side. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, right shuffle, step, pivot. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, left shuffle, step, pivot. Cross, point, behind, side, step, touch, back, side, step, touch, back, side. Now the sequence to this dance is 3 A's, 2 B's, 2 A's, 3 B's, 4 A's, end of dance. Like I said earlier, the cue for the B's is listen for the chorus. So when the chorus kicks in, you know you're doing a part B. The exception to that is the 3rd B that you do in that second sequence of B's. That is just instrumental. But that should help you in knowing when to kick the B's in. So let's just have a go at the back wall, part A. That will take us to our 3 o'clock wall where the B's will kick in, so we can see how we switch from the A to the B. And then although we would normally do a few walls of B, we'll switch back to A afterwards so you can see how that transition works again from B back to A. So wall 6, 6 o'clock wall, part A, then part B, back to part A. Side behind, kick ball, cross off on the right. 7, 8, side behind, kick ball, cross, side, rock behind, side, cross shuffle, side, back, out, in, out, touch. Side behind, turn, scuff, left chassé, back, rock. Side behind, turn, scuff, left chassé, back, rock, B. Walk, walk, kick ball, change, right shuffle, step, pivot. Walk, walk, kick ball, change, left shuffle, step, pivot. Cross, point, behind, side, step, touch, back, side, step, touch, back, side. Side behind, kick ball, cross, side, rock, behind, side. So hopefully you can see how you move from A to B and then back from B to A again. So that's it, that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, part A, part B. Remember, just listen out for the chorus for dancing part B. Let's give it a go to the music.
Oh, I promise I didn't know he was your man. I would have noticed her go when it meant Diane. I'd rather you hate me than not understand. Oh, Diane.
5, 6, 7, 8. Side behind, hip or drop, side rock, turn side, cross shuffle, side back, and hit and in. Side behind, turn step, left chassé, back rock. Side behind, turn step, left chassé, back rock. Side behind, hip or drop, side rock, turn side, cross shuffle, side back, and hit and in. Side behind, turn step, left chassé, back rock. Side behind, turn step, left chassé, back rock. Side behind, hip or cross, side, drop behind, side, cross shuffle, side, back, and hit, and in. Side behind, turn step, left chassé, back rock. Side behind, turn step, left chassé, back rock. Walk, walk, hip or change, right shuffle, step, two. Walk, walk, hip or change, left shuffle, step, two. Cross, point behind, side, step, touch, back, side, step, touch, back, side. Walk, walk, hip or change, right shuffle, step, two. Walk, walk, left shuffle, step, two. Cross, point behind, side, step, touch, back, side, step, touch, back, side, A, side behind. Cross shuffle. 5, 5, side behind, cross shuffle, 5, 5, big walk, walk, cross points, walk, walk, cross points, three again, walks, walk, cross points, and hope you managed that one.